A message on the catastrophic effects of COVID-19, coronavirus and solution. My dear fellows UANU Security Council UICE leaders of the states, institutions, departments and common public, I Saqib Hassan al-Husseini, the founder and Secretary-General of Citizen Council for Human Rights, humbly request you all to listen to my message and think about it gravely. Today is the 10th of April, 2020. As the fatal coronavirus COVID-19 has catastrophically affected the whole world, which has caused thousands of the casualties in several countries, and this number of casualties will turn into the millions that will definitely lead to the 1,000 times worsened conditions when globally economic downfall and a worldwide catastrophic food shortage, the world would occur civil wars due to the worsened conditions of economy, crashed stock exchanges, poverty. Definitely you must have authentic information about this pandemic. I am going to tell you something more. Maybe you do not believe me that coronavirus has become a disaster from the divine power, and this global disaster is the consequential phenomenon of the continuous and atrocious lockdown imposed by the Indian Prime Minister, Modi's biased policies that have ruined the lives of the millions of the innocent Kashmiris, killed them, causing economic, social and psychological problems. This is the wrath of the divine power invited by such illegal and immoral acts being committed in Kashmir. Now there is left only one option of giving the rights to the Kashmiris as promised in UNO resolutions. All the arrested, captives and kidnapped Kashmiris should be released immediately, the so-called lockdown should be lifted, food and medical facilities should be provided to them. All the members of Security Council of UNO and OIC should declare an alert by calling a meeting to cope up the imminent dangers in the light of the information and research collected by the authorized organizations and departments. A unanimous policy should be launched. Because several countries have no proper arrangements for this pandemic and expected conditions. I humbly request all the countries to have harmony, forgetting about the past bitter relations, and develop a global brotherhood to save humanity at this crucial time. All the politicians in the world are requested to leave all their differences for the sake of their countries. All the provincial and federal governments are requested to be on the board to create an ideal brotherhood. All the religious communities and scholars are requested to develop brotherhood. So all the private government departments should be united. All the families should also remove differences, forgive and develop mutual harmony. So all are requested to forgive one another, pay off whatever is to be done, and help out others as much as possible.